Hi guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also remember to stream online every Wednesday at 7:30. Okay, so the first example that we're going to be doing today, we are given the trigonometric functions that we need to integrate. So as you can see, there's a relationship between these two. So obviously this one, it might be the f prime or the f of x. So you cannot use the formula that says this formula that says f prime of x divided by f of x. You cannot use this formula. You cannot use this formula, and the reason why I'm saying that is because the top part, it is the f, it can be the f prime of the bottom one, but the problem is this one, it has got an exponent. So the safest way to solve it is to change it to a standard form, not in exponential form. So you just need to change it to this format. Just need to change it to this format. Then this one is raised to the power of n, right? So your f of x, if you change it in that format, so now you'll have integration of sine x times cos 5x dx. Okay, then remember this one, you can always write it in this form. You can just write it as to the power of 5. Remember, the power of 5 means only the cos, not x. So let's move that x there. Okay, then if we apply that formula, so we're gonna have f of x as, which one has got the exponent? You write cos x, right? And then the f prime of cos x, you're gonna have to find the f prime of cos x. So the f prime of cos x, it's a minus sine x, right? Okay, then that's the f prime. So you can use the u method also. You can use the u method by saying let f of x be u. So u equals to f of x, meaning instead of writing f prime there, you just say du over dx. And then obviously from here you just have to find dx. So du over minus sine x equals to dx. So I'm making dx the subject of the formula. So we're gonna go back to the equation and say sine x into u to the power of 5 dx. So where there's dx, we're gonna substitute du over sine x. Okay, so you'll have sine x u to the power of 5 into dx, you put du over minus sine x. Okay, so as you can see, this and this will cancel. Sine x and sine x will cancel. You'll be left with the minus sine x. So you'll be left with the minus. Let me put the minus outside, then it's u to the power of 5 du. Therefore, it's in a standard form. So since it's in a standard form, you can now use the formula of a standard form that says minus u to the power of 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 plus c. So you know that u is the same as cos. So you can, let's do this. So by the way, this is a minus 5. So just remember, when you change it from a fraction to this, you have to put a minus 5. It's a minus 5, by the way. It's a minus 5. Please consider the sign as well. Remember, initially I had. It's like I had 1 over cos x to the power of 5. So if you change it, you're going to have cos x to the power of minus 5, right? Okay, that's where the minus 5 comes from. Change it from the fraction to a standard form. So the final answer will be a minus u to the power minus 4 over minus 4 plus c. Therefore, the minus and minus will cancel. Then you'll be left with 1 over u to the power of positive 4, which is the same as 1 over, what is your u? Your u, it's cos x to the power of 4. So you can change this. What is 1 over cos? So 1 over cos x is the same as sec x. Remember, 1 over cos is the same as sec x. And then 1 over sin x equals to cosec x. Then 1 over tan x equals to cot x. So this you can change it to 1 over sec 4x. Then you just say plus c. That's how you solve this question. That's how you solve this question. Remember to put the 4. Remember to put the 4. Don't ignore the 4. Don't ignore the 4. Remember to put it. So this you can write it as 1 over 4. 1 over 4 times 1 over sec, or you can just write it as like this. You can write it like that, plus c. That's if you want to write it like that. And that's how you answer this question. Thank you for watching.